The corpse discovered in a Wyoming national park was identified as Gabby Petito. The 22-year-old van life traveler who went missing while on a road trip with her boyfriend, the FBI said on Tuesday, adding that her death was deemed a murder by a local coroner. The confirmation is the latest twist in a story that has captivated Americans since Petito's family reported her missing on September 11. Brian Laundrie, her fiancé, had returned home from a cross-country vacation without her 10 days before. In a written statement, the FBI's Denver office claimed, Teton County Coroner Brent Blue confirmed the remains are those of Gabrielle Venora Petito, date of birth March 19, 1999. The manner of death is initially determined to be murder by Coroner Blue. The cause of death is still unknown pending the findings of the autopsy, according to the FBI. Petito's corpse was recovered on Sunday in a remote area of western Wyoming's Bridger-Teton National Forest, fewer than 1,000 feet, 300 meters, from where a pair of travel bloggers videotaped what looked to be the couple's white van, stopped along a dirt road near Spread Creek on the evening of August 27. The FBI and our partners are committed to holding anyone responsible for or complicit in Ms. Petito's death accountable, said FBI Denver Special Agent in Charge Michael Schneider in a statement. On September 1st, Laundrie returned to Northport, Florida, alone in the van. Petito's family members reported her missing 10 days later. Laundrie had refused to talk with investigators and had hired a lawyer before fleeing. Laundrie's parents informed FBI officials that the last time they saw him was a week ago, when he told them he was going on a solo trek in the adjacent 24,000-acre Carlton Reserve Wilderness area. Northport police claim they just found out about Laundrie's disappearance from his relatives on Friday. On Tuesday, police and FBI officials resumed their search of the swampy reserve, using helicopters and all-terrain vehicles, but called it a day as darkness set. According to a Northport police spokeswoman, the attempt will begin on Wednesday. Petito and Laundrie departed her home state of New York in late June or early July, driving west in her van with intentions to tour national parks in the United States and document the journey on social media. Petito was last seen leaving a Salt Lake City motel on August 24, according to witnesses. The next day, she shared her final snapshot from the trip on social media. Petito's family believes she was on her way to Grand Teton National Park when she went missing. The Laundrie family's house was searched extensively by investigators on Monday. They were spotted putting cardboard boxes into a van and pulling a silver Ford Mustang away. Investigators have sought search warrants based on an August 27 text message reportedly sent by Petito to her mother, Nicole Schmidt, in which she recounts receiving numerous calls and audio messages from Stan, Petito's grandpa. Schmidt told police that the message was unusual, since the young woman did not normally refer to her grandfather by his first name. Petito's family has stated that a second text message also appeared fishy. Last Monday, police in Moab, Utah, revealed body camera footage from a traffic stop on August 12 involving Petito and Laundrie. Petito cries in the video as she recalls a fight with Laundrie that she claims turned violent at times. The cops did not hold the couple, but they insisted on spending the night apart, Petito in the van and Laundrie at a hotel. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share and subscribe.